Double your light power in half the time. Hey guys, Nick here from F150LEDs.com. Today, we're proud to introduce you to our brand new Spartan Y-splitter adapters. Dual mounted Spartan setups are a fantastic way to double your light output, and these new connectors make installation of your Dual Spartan Hood Lights, Fog Lights, and Dual Reverse Lights a breeze by eliminating the need for multiple harnesses. Now you can run a single harness to each location and use these adapters to power multiple lights from that same harness. For example, you can now use a single dual run harness to power both your driver and passenger side dual setups utilizing our new connectors. These adapters are built to the highest of standards, featuring waterproof tri-core connectors, as well as heat and tear resistant sheathing and heavy duty gauge wiring. Each adapter provides amber backlight power as well as primary beam power for each of your Spartan lights. You can check out these Spartan Y-splitter adapters as well as all of your Cree Spartan LED lighting options right now at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and make sure you're following us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. Thank you so much for your support. It truly is our honor to serve you, and we can't wait to see you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.